Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a little Royal portable on the bench. It's a Royal Parade. It's just got, we're going to look at the shift is not lining up right. I call that the shift balance. It's probably not the right word for that. But here's what happens. Pretty common with these vintage typewriters nowadays, it seems like. Get some light on here. Okay, so we got lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase. They are not lining up right. Not too far off, but far enough for sure. Okay, so this is a little different. It's carriage lift. So we got to look for those stops probably along the carriage here. And they are a little different. It's actually this little piece right here. See this carriage lift bumps up against this piece. That's a eccentric. The nut's actually straight, but that little stud there is eccentric. So you turn that and it will adjust the contact point here. And there's one on the other side. That's for uppercase, it looks like. And then if you look in here, you can see the lowercase adjustment is right here. Same thing, except I don't have access to that because I still have the body on this. So we're just going to adjust this back one back here and see if that works. I haven't tried it yet, so we're going to try it right now, and it looks pretty straightforward. So it's got a little nut here. This is by, I think, 5.5. That tightens that down. I'm just going to loosen it just slightly. So now this nut, this side should turn, and I think I want that to go that way so that stud is making contact with that sooner. Which, just a little bit. There we go. I just turned it a little bit. Let's try it right here and see if that did anything. So lowercase, uppercase. I think it is a little better. Not quite where I want it. There's an adjustment on the other side too, so you have to do both. Let me go a little bit further and see if that's going to work. I almost think that's the limit to this adjustment, because that stud's about as far that direction as it's going to go. Let's try lowercase, uppercase. That's pretty good. Let's balance out this side over here. So this should, if we lift up, technically there should be a little gap here. And it does look like there is. So we're just going to turn this one the same distance approximately. Oops. So let's loosen this guy just a share bit. And we're going to move this. We're going to move this, down. Just a little bit. Let's see if that's hitting. Yeah, see, it feels like it's bottoming out there now. Let's see if it's still in the proper adjustment. I think it's actually went too far on this guy here, so let's back this off a little bit. Let's go back this way just a little bit. I mean, that was just a little bit. Let's try it again. Pretty close. I think it's actually a little bit off still. No, it's still too high. Okay, so let's go. I'm telling you, this is a pretty fine adjustment here, because I barely moved that, and it made a pretty good difference. Okay, let's move this just a... You have no idea how small a movement I made on that. Well, let's see what happens. I think that's good. But like I said, that was a very, very small amount of movement here. So let's tighten up this little 5.5er here and hope it doesn't shift, which I don't think it's going to. I think it's okay. That's tight. And let's tighten up this guy and call this done. 5.5, tighten this up a little bit. There we go. All right, double, triple, quadruple check it. Looks good to me. Definitely a lot better than right there. I just noticed this knob is a little bit loose. I bet you see screws right there. Let's see if these are loose. Yeah, that's it. The screws were just a little bit loose. It's funny how you run across things when you're just servicing typewriters. Now they were both loose. Well, that's better. Huh, okay, well, good deal. Repaired two things in 7 minutes here. All right. PhoenixTypewriter.com. Good day.